how to set the keyboard swipe controls to cursor control on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General Management, and then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now go down, and in here, tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. In here, you want to tap on Keyboard Swipe Controls, and then select Cursor Control. By default, it is set to Swipe to Type. If you don't like to use Swipe to Type, you can select Cursor Control. So now if you open up the keyboard, you can swipe across the keyboard to move the cursor, as you can see right here. If you want to select text, you can use the Shift key like this. So you hold down the Shift key and then you swipe across. That will allow you to select the text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.